Okay, one song that is pretty good to know is Happy Birthday, because that's a song that you can play for a lot of occasions, and it's pretty simple to play. And we're going to go over the 3 simple chords that we learned in one of our other videos, Amazing Grace. And we're going to start out with the 1 chord. I'm going to play it the left hand and in the right hand. And remember we're playing this in the key of C. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And that's the whole C scale. So the first tone of the C scale is C. And to build a major chord, we just put our thumb on C and we skip 3 keys. So that lands us on E. And then we skip 2 keys, and that lands us on G. And that builds a C chord. So that's our first chord in Happy Birthday, and then we go to our 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is an F, and that's something we can talk about later if you don't know what that is in my piano membership. And so we want to build an F chord, so we start on F, we skip 3 keys, 1, 2, 3, it lands us on A, we skip 2 keys, lands us on C. So there we have an F chord. And then the 5 chord in the C scale, you start down on C, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is our G chord. This is G. We skip 3 keys, B, then we skip 2 keys. So here's our G chord. So those are the 3 chords that we're going to be using. C, F, G. This is called a 1-4-5 combination. You can literally play hundreds of songs with this. So I'm just going to play a simple C chord, and I'm going to add the left hand. I'm going to play a C chord down here, but I'm not going to play the middle note. Okay? So we just start out. Happy Birthday starts in the key of C, it starts on G, which is the 5th tone of the scale. Or it could be Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. It starts on So. Okay. So that's my pitch we're going to start on. Happy birthday to. Now we're going to go to the 5. So I just lift my hand up, go up to the G chord. And the left hand's going to do a G chord, but not the middle note. You, happy birthday to. And then we're going to go back down to the 1. You, which is our C chord. Happy birthday, dear. And we're going to go up to the 5 chord. Brooke. And then to the 4. Lynn. That's my oldest daughter's name. Happy. Back to the 1 chord. C. Birthday. 5 chord. 2. Back to the 1. You. So I'm going to put all of these chords in. If you can go onto my website, notablepianolessons.com, and you'll be able to find this chord chart that I've listed out here today. So I'll go a little bit faster now and just kind of play it so you can hear what it sounds like, just in a really simple form. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brooklyn. Happy birthday to you. And there's actually an easier way to play this instead of jumping all around. It's just easier to teach it right now, and hopefully later we'll be able to cover that in another video.